Hello my dear subscriber, and this video is very special. Thank you so much everyone that have been subscribed on my channel and viewed all my videos, and this inspired me on making more videos in the future. And in this video I want to show you a very special recipe. It is Pandesal, where I come from, the Philippines. It is probably the first bake that I've ever tasted as a child. And I remember buying this in the bakery in the Philippines at 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, freshly made. And these guys just came out from the oven, and I can't wait to taste them. It's still hot. You can see, with a little bit of butter. This is home. Let's start. Our ingredients for pandesal is 300 ml milk, lukewarm, 3 teaspoons yeast, dry active yeast, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 400 grams plain flour, or you can use all-purpose flour, 200 grams bread flour or strong flour, butter 50 grams softened, sugar 80 grams, 2 large eggs, and some breadcrumbs. Firstly, you want to heat up the milk in the microwave for about a minute or 2, depends on your microwave. Now, a lot of people are very afraid of working with yeast. It is really simple once you get the hang of it, really. But the only thing that you have to remind of when you're working with yeast is, like, for example, like this, I heat up the milk and you have to feel it with your finger. If you feel like you go ouch, then that means that it's too warm. And if it's cold, then you will know it. It needs to be a bit like your body temperature, really. Now there's our milk, warm milk. Add in your yeast and your salt and your sugar. Mix well and wait for it to activate. While waiting for your yeast milk to activate, in a mixing bowl, add in your flour, bread flour, melt your butter in the microwave. As you can see, the yeast has now been activated. Now we're ready to mix this up with the flour. whisk your egg before putting in there. Dust your surface with a little bit of flour. I forgot to mention earlier to put cling film on when you're proofing it. Right, it's time to knock it off. Haha. Sprinkle some flour on your surface. I tell you, I'm so excited, guys. It's been a while I haven't done this. I mean, I haven't baked this. It really depends on what size do you like when you cut them. For me, this is my preferred size. Remember, they still grow because you still need to proof them for half an hour